Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll further improve our searching ability with a technique called cycle pruning. So, over the coming lectures, we are going to examine some additional ways to improve our ability to search. And if you recall, as we look through various algorithms, breadth first, depth first, A-star search, a common problem is inability to halt if you have things like cycles or you have paths that repeat on themselves. And so we can get around these issues by adding some simple extensions to our search paradigm. So again, to recap, we see here right away that big problem. Halt on a finite graph, not even, dealing with something where you can infinitely expand out nodes, just a finite graph. None of these halt. So how can we work to get around that? Well, this is the key issue here. If we're finding a path and that path sort of cycles into itself, then we could potentially be looping around in that cycle forever and ever. So how could we avoid that? Well, it's actually quite simple. What we do is we're going to see if in the path that we're looking to select, if the destination node is in that path. And that's pretty much it. So we are, we started at node N0 and we are looking to select path from node N0 to NK. And we just check, is NK, was that one of the previous K-1 nodes, or actually, sorry, K nodes, because we're starting at 0, that we have visited. And that's about that. So we can implement this with depth first search, actually in constant time. And that is simply because, since we're diving deep, we don't have a whole lot to worry about looking up. We're only on a single path. And then for other methods, we can do this in linear time. So building on this, we might want to also look to prune paths where the search algorithm has already found a path to that node. And that builds on this concept, and we hope you tune in next time to find out how to go about doing that. Thank you.